What's up, guys? So we got a pretty exciting announcement. So we've got this brand new $105 smartphone. This is the built off the Note 7. So this one has a 6.26-inch LCD panel. It's HD plus resolution, the Snapdragon 632, and it's clocked at 1.8 gigahertz. This one also has dual cameras, so that's pretty impressive for a phone at the $100 price range. It's a 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel shooter. The memory configurations go from 2 to 16 gigabytes to 3 to 32 gigabytes and from 4 to 64 gigabytes. So the lowest one starting at $100. This does also pack a 4,000 milliamp battery with a 10-watt charging. So you got plenty of features with the My UI. I'm definitely going to be looking to check this phone out when this guy comes out. So it's just crazy how good these $100 smartphones are becoming. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for all your latest tech news, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.